flowcharts, diagrams, and tables. Okay. Now this is one question type that you will, it sometimes may not be there, but yes, they are, mostly they are there, but in certain passages that you might have worked on, you may not find any flowchart or a diagram or a table as well. So it's not necessary that you'll get it in every passage that you solve, but yes, it is still a part of majority of the passages. But again, there might not be many questions on flowchart and diagrams and table. Hardly one you may come across out of all the three. But still, they are equally, as I say, that they are equally important, and we must know how to solve these questions also. So you should complete your flowcharts, diagrams, and tables that paraphrase sentence from the text. Again, the flowcharts, diagrams, that basically the diagram is a picture wherein you have to label it. Okay, so you definitely have to look for the exact word from the passage, and you just pick up that word and you label it. With flowcharts and tables, there may be paraphrasing included, but no synonyms. So definitely you have to look for the exact word from the passage. But yes, there might be the other parts of the sentence where you may require to know the keywords or the synonyms. Again, you are given a word limit. Questions follow the order of the text and use keywords to look for your answers. Now I have this. Now these are very simple questions, so I will not explain them in detail, but you have to just label this diagram of an egg, and you can start reading. You can just look at the picture at once. How many parts are there? Something in the center, then there's a yellow circle, then the other parts of the egg. So as you read, you will start getting the answers. And there, I think, is another slide too. So when you're done with this, I will help you do, I'll shift to the next slide. So did you get all of them? Mostly everyone has got it. First is number 5 is yolk, that everyone has got, the yellow inner part of the egg. After that, we come down to the yolk is anchored by a chalaza, a spiral rope-like strand. So it is anchored by this rope-like strand over here. Okay. Then we have, there are 2 chalazae. One is on the top, but then you have to mention that is at number 3. Another very important part of the egg is albumin. The albumin, which is the inner thick white part of the egg. So inner thick white part of the egg will be what? Number 4. And then we have what? Now let's talk about the outer part of the egg, that is the shell. So the outer part of the shell, that is number 1. And it is hard, protective coating of the egg. Now what is remaining? Let's see. Yes, then you have the air cell, and you also have the germinal disc. So the germinal disc is which part? It's a small circular white spot. So number 2 is germinal disc. And the air cell, where is the air cell? The air cell usually rests between the outer and the inner membranes as the egg ages. So this is the air cell, number 6. Great, good. So all of you have managed it correctly, all 6. This was easy. I knew everyone can do it. Let's go to the next one.